So guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with Suleiman. Today I will give you the amazing site. First of all I will tell you the site name is USD678.com. So this is the amazing site. I will tell you the first thing. First thing is to put on your email, login password, confirm password, security password, then sign up the button. So guys, we will fill all information, then I will tell you the next step. So guys, you can see we log in the site. The company give it to me as an announcement for the purpose of this site. So you can read here all the thing. So guys, you can see here the deposit 0499 USD 18%, and you can read and I know, click the button I know. Then you can see here we have the total balance is 100,000 USD as the bonus. The company give it to me the 1000 USD, and you can see we have deposit, withdraw, VIP, team app, withdraw, and base amount and promotion amount. You can see here experience amount. You can see here financial account and join to be millionaire. Use cloud mining and technology to ensure that all users get most revenue. So guys, this is the details of your platform data display here, accumulated profit here, and memberships. About us, we are at the best cloud mining offer, potentially co-effective way of mining for the Bitcoin. So this is the global partners: Vertex, Coindex, Genex, Coinmint, Bitmain, and Binance, and crypto, Coinbase, and Tron. So this is the first step of this. So guys, click the button deposit. So guys, first of all we go to the deposit section. So guys, first of all copy the address and go to the trust wallet. So guys, here we are. Enter your copy address, deposit, then enter your 10 deposit, then continue the button. So guys, you can see here my transfer amount 10 TRX, then confirm the button. So guys, we will done the 10 TRX is in your account. Go to the site section and I will submit the button. So guys, first of all go to the site and I will show you my 10 TRX deposit amount. So guys, recharge completed, press the button. You can see here recharge is completely. Go to the, so guys, the company showing my 10 deposit is some for refresh. So guys, you can get some refresh for this site, then you can see your 10 deposit amount. So guys, we will refresh your site. Okay guys, so guys, we will show you 1000.73 USD we will done. You can see here deposit is successful. Now the next step is so guys, click the button of withdraw. You can see here. So guys, I will step by step guide you how to get withdraw. So guys, put on your TRX, then put on your amount per TRX, then address TRX, then enter security password, then confirm the button. So guys, first of all we will log in, then we will fill all information for withdraw, then I will tell you the next step. So guys, I will show you live withdraw. So guys, put on your amount for confirm your TRX. So guys, 15.948200. okay guys, then enter your address TRX, then enter your amount, enter your password TRX. You can see here, then confirm the button. So guys, you can see here I will show you my live withdraw. Okay, so guys, you can see here 1000.67 USD is my done. My before we have 1000.73. now the withdraw after deposit after the withdraw amount, you can see here 1000.67 USD. So guys, you can see here. So guys, you can see here we done the deposit and withdraw. I will show you the live finance record. You can see here we will done the deposit. You can see here, and promotion to, you can see here my amount deposited here and my withdraw amount. You can see here 0.622703 USD. So guys, we will done the deposit and withdraw. So guys, this is my team, level 1, level 2, level 3, and this is the investment record. You can see here, and this is the transfer to basic account. Enter your quantity to convert it and enter your security password, then confirm your password, promotion to basic account. So this is the share button. So guys, first of all you can copy the address and send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. So guys, send your friends and family members, they will get rewards many times. So guys, this is click the button mine again, and you can see notification here. If you want to change modify your login password, then you can change it. Then you can modify your security password, you can change it, then log out the button. So guys, this is the amazing site. You can earn money in your home and everywhere. So guys, for this is the app, click the button app and you can get download this app, and this is the white paper you can read here. So guys, see you tuned the next project. Get well soon. And this is the headphone button. You can if you are any trouble, then you can click the button headphone and they will solve your problem telegram through. Okay guys, see you tuned the next project. Take care.